Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get like a custom ringtone on your iPhone. So you want to download this app called GarageBand. It should be in the App Store. I don't think it's for Android, I'm not sure, probably not, but this is how you do it for iPhone. So once you download the app, you should just open it and it should come to something like this. You can tap create song or this little plus in the front. So I'm going to hit create song, and there's going to be a lot of these, but what you want to go to is audio recorder and just tap it. And you're going to see this, and you don't want that. So you're going to click these three lines, and it's going to take you here. And then you're going to want to hit this tiny plus in the corner, and you're going to select section A, tap it, and make sure the automatic feature is off, and just put this all the way up to 12, and then hit done. And now see you have 12 lines, and then you want to hit this weird circle thing, and then you can have an Apple Loops, whatever you want there, but I like to save mine to files. So if I go to files, there should be something like right here. I can just go to the files apps, and then I can just grab this. I think I can just tap it, yeah. I guess not, but oh yeah, there it goes, see? And so I just grab it and move it all the way over here. And then now it's there. See, it's just playing. You guys have probably heard this before. You just hit the play button, and then you can change it to you can trim it to whatever you want it to be, however long. But once you do that, you want to put it at the very front, and that way, whenever it plays. Oh, and also, sorry, I forgot to mention this. This blue triangle, it's the metronome. You don't want that. Turn that off. Make sure it's white. And then, sorry, after you do that, click this like upside down triangle. Go back to My Songs. And then see, it should be right there. So you can just hold, like 3D touch it. Go down to Share. And then just click Ringtone. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it Potato, because it's funny. And just hit export, and then it's exporting as a ringtone. And then cool. And then you want to just go to sounds and haptics, and then go to ringtone, and then see potato right there. You can just do that, and that's how you get a custom ringtone. If y'all like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.